Hello, children, and I welcome you for a session with a jumbo hug. Children, today someone very special is coming to meet us in class. Children, put your hand together for Sheru, the tiger cub. Hello, Sheru, how are you? Hello, children. I am very happy to meet you. I am Sheru, the tiger cub. I live on land, just like you. I am a wild animal and my habitat is a forest. A forest is a large area of land covered with tree or other woody vegetation. A lot of other creatures also live in the forest. Oh, that's nice, Sheru. Can we take a look at your forest? Of course, here's the forest that I live in. So, there are many different kinds of forests found in the world. They are classified according to which part of the world they are found in, the climate of that region, and the kind of vegetation found in them. That's very interesting, Sheru. So, can you tell us more? Yes, of course. Today, I am going to tell you about rainforest. Oh, that's wonderful, Sheru. Do you also live in the rainforest? Yes, ma'am, we do. Tigers live in the rainforest as well as in a range of other habitats. Tigers are found in tropical lowlands, forest, woodlands, tall grass jungles, and swamps. But the reason I'm talking about the rainforest is because more than half of the world's species of plants and animals are found in the rainforests. Rainforests receive a lot of rain. And many types of trees, plants, creepers, shrubs, and other vegetations are found in the rainforest. Many different types of creatures live in them. These include mammals, birds, insects, reptiles, and other creatures. But apart from supporting so many living things, rainforests also provide us with many natural products. These products include food. At least 3,000 fruits are found in the rainforest. We get clothing material and fibers, building materials like timber, fuel, spices, and industrial raw material from them. They provide us with a great amount of natural medicines and are even called the world's largest pharmacy, as they are home to many plants. They give out a lot of oxygen. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the air to create their food and release oxygen. In this way, they purify the air. Rainforests uphold the jewels of the earth. So rainforests, in fact, all rainforests are very, very important to us. Am I right, Sheru? Yes, ma'am, definitely so. But forests are getting destroyed. Rainforests once covered 14% of Earth's land surface. Now, they cover only 6%, and experts estimate that the last remaining rainforest could be consumed in less than 40 years. This is very, very disturbing to hear, Sheru. Yes, ma'am. It is very important to respect nature. The rainforests are destroyed. Nearly half of the world's species of plants, animals, and microorganisms will also be destroyed. We understand that, Sheru, and we must all protect the rainforest. Am I right, Sheru? Yes, it is very important to protect the rainforest for us, the animals who live in the forest, and for you as well, because it gives you so many different kind of products like food, like medicine, and also oxygen. Thank you, Sheru, for sharing something very important with our children. Please come back to tell us more, Sheru. Yes. Thank you, everyone. And do take care of the forest. So, children, we just heard Sheru say about the rainforest and how to protect the rainforest and why it is important to protect the rainforest. So, children, till we meet again, do have a nice day. Bye bye.